Hi, it's Kelcy Junk Journal Magic. I need a masterboard that's basically plain, kind of monotone papers. I do have some blacks. You probably can't see all this. It's over here to the side. And I'm working on some bird stuff. But now I need to whip up a masterboard really quick so I can work on this project. So I'm going to apply my glue on this side and glue all the papers on this side because there's nothing on this side. Okay, I'm back. I had a little issue with the camera, no problem, but everything is pretty much done. I added the little word treasures under that little clip, and I tried to glue that clip down better, but it's kind of funny because the clip is the shiny, useless trinket. It's the gimcrack. So I did that. I fixed the stitching along these two edges here. There's some little random bits of thread, but you know, I kind of like that. It kind of makes me think of crows or something picking at the thread. Anyway, I went ahead before I realized the camera wasn't running, and I found a bird for Argle Bargle, a copious but meaningless talk or writing. Now, what does that mean? I picked a mynah bird because we had a family friend when I was a kid who had a mynah bird. Her name was Varnell. Not the bird, the friend. And you'd be at her house and you'd hear, Varnell, hello, Varnell, the whole time you were there. It was just hysterical. So I found a mynah bird in my bird behavior book because talking is an interesting behavior when it comes to birds. There are very few birds who can talk. So I got the mynah bird. He was here. There's also this white one. That's the Rothschild's bird. Yes, that's their mynah bird. I guess the color, it's a Leucopsar Rothschildi. Nah, I don't even want to say that again. But maybe it's been bred so much that it's turned white, because they say with animals, when you want them to be less aggressive and you breed them, you choose more friendly animals to breed, that within like 2 or 3 generations you get white animals. So that's an interesting thing. If you think about it, calico cats are known for being really lovey-dovey. So anyway, I grabbed a little bit in the blurb under the photos, and it said the hill mynah, well known for its mimicry. So I'm going to put that over here with the bird on this tag. Let me move those over. I just inked a little bit of paper, glued those down, and I also used some of that packaging paper like right here, and I thought that black would help that stand out, so I'm going to glue it down. I'm going to kind of offset it, so it's interesting to look at that card. It's a journaling tag card, whatever you want to call it, because it does have it will have this on the top, Argle Bargle. Oh, where did she find that word? I wonder if you could just go in and search for old strange words and Google will spit them at you. Probably. Okay, so there is my fourth card. I wanted to do birds with some of the stranger words. I only have 6 words left, and I'm going to work on those hopefully tomorrow. I need to go downstairs for a little while. Back to the real world from Craft World, and I'll show you what I make next time. But I've got a magpie, an American crow, a common raven, and a hill mina. I might actually stamp mina on there because it's so small. I think the word here would be interesting. Let me do that. I'm going to use my letters.